Hey, welcome back to another episode of Mwitu and Huru. So we've got this man with us today. It's Monique's brother. He's down from the States. He's been there for several months. So we had some serious rain last night, a really amazing storm. So we're going to head out and see what we can find. A lot of critters moving around, maybe things looking to dig, and hopefully we get lucky. Stick with us. So just driving along with all of the moisture around, a lot of wildflowers coming out, and just up there is some beautiful wild jasmine. I'll bring it. It's a very sweet smelling flower. Come. Can you pick me a flower? Okay. Will you? Okay. Get a flower please. Give a flower to mama. Okay, there we go. Small. Okay, let's go show mommy. Okay, let me come this side. Hold. Oopsie.
My flower.
She's got something for you. Okay, let's get up. Give mommy flower. Up.
My flower.
Wow, thank you.
Here we go. Smell. Don't fall around. No, she wants to come back out again. But this is wild jasmine. I don't know if you can see there. Very beautiful little flower. Very, very nice smelling. Have a smell. No, it doesn't want to smell. Okay.
Okay.
But you're going to see a lot of these different flowers out now after all of the rain that we've been having. It's really beautiful. Nice contrast in between all the other greenery. And as you can see, if Monique would be so kind to show you how beautiful and green the reserve is at the moment. So this is the dam where we saw, if you saw one of our previous videos when we were driving, we found a big male lion here. He was lying on the right of this dam. You can see with the rain we had last night, and like it really come up and filled it. So you can see on the right it's almost underwater completely where he was lying. He would be swimming now. Really fortunate to get so much rain here at Kwandwe. So you can see there's two young males here. At the moment you can just see the one on screen doing what lions do best, having a nap. But if I come down, I'm just gonna come down slowly. You can see there's a leopard tortoise here. And then if I come, it's kind of like, what? She can't believe what she's seeing. Then you come down a little bit more and you can actually see drag marks here. So all the way to almost where we parked. Drag marks like that. So that means that these lions were playing with that tortoise. You can have a look there. Tortoise is still in its shell. The lions seem to have given up and they're having a nap to, sorry about the jumping, but to rejuvenate their energy. Lots happening out today after the big rains last night. It's counting down. So as we're driving around, there's a lot of these that have popped up, and you can see they're quite tall, hence the name tall white squirrel. They grow from a bulb, so after a lot of rain that we've been having good time of the year, now they've all absolutely shot out. So Skylar, don't trip. So you can see they can be very, very tall. I've seen some even taller than this. So I'm about 1.75 meters, and you can see that is taller than me. So they are very, very tall. What's that? It's a flower. Do you want to touch the top?
Hi, Mommy.
So much life that water brings. The reserve's looking really beautiful. Okay, let's go. So we found a leopard. Can you see it? Leopard tortoise.
Oh no.
And ants. Scarlett's very concerned about the ants. Jump out. What's this?
Oh no. Oh.
Hello, tortoise. Hi.
That's my tortoise.
Wow.
Scarlett's made a new friend. So leopard tortoise, because of the patterns, you can see almost leopard-like print on the. Whoa. Sassy one must be. Look, tortoise. Wow. Nicely. Yeah. So leopard tortoise, because of the print, the leopard-like print on the shell. Very, very striking colors, especially when they're younger. As they get older, that does tend to fade a bit. But this one is unsure if it's comfortable or not, but I would also be a bit nervous with Skylar moving around in front of me. Come.
So beautiful.
So beautiful.
Yes. Oh, Daddy, I'm chicken.
So they must be very happy now with all the moisture around, easy access to water. They are limited on how fast they can go. So water options can be hard to find, but they store water in what we call a bursa sack inside. And if you do pick up tortoises and play with them, they can use that as a form of defense. They lose all their water. Just put the camera on sports mode quickly. But they use that as a form of defense to try and deter a predator away, and then they lose valuable liquid, which is why you shouldn't really mess around with tortoises too much. But there's lots of water around, but I'm still not going to pick it up. But it is absolutely bulldozing its way under that bush, so I think we'll let it be. Say bye, tortoise. See you later. Bye. Scarlett's concerned. Did you see a tortoise? Did you see a tortoise? So pretty much as a testament to all the rain we've had, especially last night, you can see all these little channels that come up from the valleys all along are all running, and this all runs into the Great Fish River. You can see runs all the way down. So amazing to see water at the moment. You can see over here as well. All the way up these rocks, running all the way down. Very awesome.